Top 3 best automatic car wash machine today. Have you ever thought that in just a few years, manual car washes will gradually disappear? Not because people are lazier, but because machines now do it better, faster, cleaner, and much more economically. If you own a car wash shop or are planning to open one in the near future, this video will definitely help you understand the 3 most popular automatic car wash machine today to choose the machine that best suits your business model, premises, and budget. First, let's come to the first line, automatic car body washing machine. Also known as the type that only washes the car body. This is the most popular machine line, chosen by many mini cars, workshops, or small garages. The machine is designed with a fixed steel frame, a software system combined with a high-pressure nozzle to help clean the entire car body. The car enters, the machine will automatically move along the body, spray foam, scrub, and then spray clean water in just 8 to 10 minutes. The advantage of this machine lies a low investment cost, easy installation, suitable for small space, and can be operated by only one employee. The car is cleaned after washing. The body and parts are shiny. However, this machine line cannot swap the undercarriage, where there is the obvious a lot of mud and grease, and still needs to be dried manually after washing. However, for car wash in residential area or mainly 4 to 7 seat passenger cars, this is still a safe choice to start with a reasonable cost. A step up is the second line, automatic body and chassis washing machine. This is considered a big step forward in the high-tech car wash industry. In addition to cleaning the entire body, this machine line is equipped with a strong brushless undercarriage nozzle system, helping to clean the chassis, wheels, and low position that are almost impossible to reach by hand washing. When the cars enter, the sensors automatically recognize the sign. The machine will spray foam, scrub with the software, and simultaneously activate the undercarriage nozzle, ensuring the cars is evenly cleaned, even in hidden areas. This machine line is very popular because of its outstanding cleaning efficiency, reducing rust on the cars and helping the shop owner to increase the service price while still satisfying the customer. The investment cost is higher than the basic line, but the efficiency is common service, especially if your shop is located near an industrial park, urban area, or has a large number of cars. This is the machine line worth considering. And finally, the most advanced line today, automatic body, undercarriage, and drying machine. It can be said that this is the true high-tech car wash station. This machine is equipped with a large capacity fan system, automatically drying the entire car body immediately after washing. The sensor system adjusts the airflow according to the direction the car moves, helping to blow evenly across the surface, not leaving water stagnant. No need for staff to wipe again. With this machine, the washing, spraying, drying process is completely automatic, taking only about 8 to 10 minutes for each car. The car wash service time meets the 5-star standard: clean, dry, fast, professional. Shop owner no longer depend on workers, can wash more than 100 cars per day while still ensuring consistent quality. Of course, the investment level for this machine line is the highest of the 3 types, but in return is the image of a professional shop, high productivity, and outstanding customer experience. What modern car wash models are aiming for? Imagine instead of 3 or 4 employees having to scrub each wheel. Why it's done? Now you only need to press the button. The machine will automatically perform the entire process, from spraying water, washing the body, spraying the chassis, to blowing dry. Its wash only costs about 10 cents for electricity, water, chemical, while the average revenue is from $4 to $5 per car. Profit is increasing, washing time is reduced, no more worrying about the lack of workers, or customers have to wait long. More importantly, the quality of car wash is always consistent, clean, and professional, a factor that helps customers feel satisfied with come back more often compared to manual washing. Automatic car washes make a clear difference, hence washing takes 15 to 30 minutes, consume a lot of water, chemical, and depend entirely on the staff. Sometimes careful, sometimes careless, With the Go&Go automatic car wash, with just one button, the entire body, traces and wheel of the cars are washed in just 7 to 10 minutes, easily without scratch and saving up to 50% of electricity, water and chemical. No need to worry about lack of workers, no need to worry about customer waiting. With just one operator, the staff can still wash hundreds of cars every day. If you want to upgrade your car wash to technology car standards, come to Go&Go, the leading manufacturer and installer of automatic car wash in Southeast Asia. Here there are a full range of machines suitable for each model: body washers for small shop, body and traces washer for medium-sized shop, and high-end model with additional drying system for professional car care center. All are warranted for 12 months, have a post-warranty maintenance contract, and on-site installation support. You can come to see the demo machine directly at Go&Go factory in Ho Chi Minh City to experience it in real life. Don't let yourself stay in manual stay forever. Let's Go&Go help you enter the era of automatic car wash where efficiency, profits, and professionalism converge. Go&Go accompany you on the journey of sustainable, modern, and highly profitable business.